Jules here, and today we are working on a countertop with the vanities, and what I'm going to do is fill it with river rock, cleaned river rock, and then put a sand carved glass top on it. Obviously we need to sand and repair the drywall behind after we rip the paneling off, and then where that medicine cabinet is will be a very large mirror with a sand cut edge to imitate waves to match the glass top. So we're starting with a Minwax, polyurethane clear coat on the wood. It's been framed out with L channel, alright, so it will hold in all of the rocks and stone, and my nice koi fish glass bowl. Okay, and then I'm also going to mix in colored glass stones to sort of add to this water pond effect that I'm trying to get. And then later on today, I will be showering with my river rock to get it cleaned. So I'm also staining the edges of the frame with a dark walnut so that we match the cabinets. Okay? So I will get back with you shortly, and you can see my back. Now I got done staining and polyurethane. This little white line right here in between the molding and the top, I'm going to have to use a paint pen on, because when I clear coated the top, apparently some bled over onto the edge. But some of the river rock is laid out, just to sort of give you an example of how this is going to look once it's finished. Now to the phase of the countertop where we are going to clear coat the stones. Now, for those of you who just want rock, this is how you would do it as far as coverage goes. I am going to be removing some of this stone so that it leaves room for my glass nuggets, pebbles, what have you. And I was just recently gifted with an entire 3-gallon bucket of Petoskey stones, and I've pulled a bunch of those aside. And now here's what they look like when I just clear coat them with a gloss, Rust-Oleum painter's gloss, which is what we're going to be using on the rest of the stone. Always have a well-ventilated area. Obviously, I'm in a small bathroom. It doesn't have its own exhaust fan, so that's what I'm going to be using. And to apply this, it's really quite simple. You know, you just start spraying. And it brings out now all the really nice colors in the stone, whereas before they're really kind of gray. But now see, they have that nice wet look to them. Of course, which is what I want. So once this is finished and dried, I will return and we will go from there. Back with it. Now we've got the stones clear coated, and you know, I was thinking about adding them in randomly. Then I thought, wow, wouldn't it be like awesome if we added the glass in like a flowing river? I think that would be extra special. So I have gone to Walmart, of all places, and picked these up. So I have an assortment of etched and clear, different sizes, different colors. Alright, so I'm going to start by grabbing one of these. Let's just, I might not have enough because usually I was planning on just adding little bits here and there. I think we might be able to pull this off. Might want to save a few to actually add randomly elsewhere. I've got this really nice deep blue. I think is very pretty. That's just a little bit of color. Okay. Throw in some green. I mean, the glass bowl is green, so the green is certainly an excellent addition to this mix. Dark blue spots. Green is definitely... I like the fact that these are both etched and clear, because it gives you difference in textures and patterns. Yeah, patterns not so much. Just the play on light. So now, what we've got is a glass river running through it. Got my really nice Petoskey stone here next to the fixture. Then I do have other Petoskey stones mixed in random spots. Okay. I'm going to continue to play with this a little bit more. And then we are ready for the glass top, which will be a while. Because the weather here is still really lousy and I just can't get my sandblasting equipment set up. I don't know why my phone won't focus, but at any rate, thanks again. There we go. And we'll chat again soon. You answered. So, we have enlarged the amount of glass pebbles that we have put into the piece. And I am very happy with it overall. So thank you for your input. I really appreciate it.